Hello there, Esther here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your website forms to an email list within the Institute of Personal Trainers platform. So I am on a contact page, which has got a form on it, but you can have forms on any of your website pages. I'm going to head right over and click the form widget and then click the cogwheel icon, which is to edit the settings. If you haven't filled out the other details yet, just make sure that you've got a specific form name, you've got a notification email address added, you're using a button text that's relevant to the form, depending on what the purpose of the form is. And then you can also set up what you'd like the form to do once someone submitted a response. It can be a thank you message, or it can be linked to another page. And then under that, you've got the connect to email marketing feature, which is what I'm going to talk about a little bit in more detail. Basically, even if you haven't got any lists created in the emails and automation sections up here, you can still just click and go ahead and connect it to a list, because as you can see, you have got an add list option up here. So I'm going to click that because I don't want these to be going into default list. So say add list. I'm going to name this contact form list. Submit. The list is now created. We're going to check out in a moment. And you tick only the ones that you want to be linked with this particular form. And then you click confirm. And then you also don't forget to click the save on the top right. And that's basically your emails and your form linked to the email list feature. Now, I'm going to show you how you can easily test if it works or not. This is valid for any changes you make on the website. So I'm just going to add name. It's important to add the real email address here so you can actually test if it works. Phone number doesn't matter as much. That one either. Still testing. Send message. Now, if you go back into your dashboard and you click to emails and automations, you can find the lists down here on the left. And you can see that there's already a person added to this list, which I just did. And if I go into the list section, you'll see the contact form list, which I just created. And if I click on it, that's where subscribers will be visible. If you've got multiple lists, all subscribers will appear on the first tab. But if you go into the particular list, you'll be able to basically view the subscribers of those lists. Right, so if I now go back to the builder, that's basically your contact form set up on the contact page. You can do the same thing on any of the forms of your website pages. You can create separate lists for them as well. So you are able to target them with particular marketing campaigns. I hope that makes sense. If you've got any questions, feel free to hit me up. Bye.